Heidi ho. So here we go again. This is Your Finger My Ring, and I turn coins into rings. This is a 1948 UK shilling. So let's start by punching a hole in it. Butterfingers. This is now called the Tunnel of Love. Now I go across to Big Bertha and watch her perform her magic. Right. How's everybody doing? Good? If you're looking for a custom handmade ring, hopefully I'm your man. Maybe not, but hopefully. I've got a good selection of coins, American, UK, Finnish. And if you're looking for a custom made ring, all I need from you is your ring size. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are in EU size, and if you want that particular ring, I can make them slightly larger or slightly smaller, or you can send me your own coins, which some people do. This is Chris Deburr, my deburring tool. I had a comment under a video yesterday from Steve. He wants me to call my pliers that I hold the coin with when I'm got Bernie on it, jaws. So jaws it is. Thanks, Steve. Bloody Jaws. That movie was on last night, believe it or not. I didn't watch it. It's been on so many bloody times. All the good movies out there, they put the same shit on, you know. Even 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, that should be good enough. A bit more. Gotta make sure there's no cracks or splits, otherwise that's going to muck up your ring when you start stretching it. Okay, so let's break out Bernie and Jaws. There's Jaws. This is called annealing. Right, let's quench it. Now we need a 17-degree die to fold it. And I say it's going to be this one. And I go, this will be sunny side up on the ring. So that go face down. Make sure it's level. It's pretty good. Let's go over to Jaws. Jaws. Bloody hell, I've got Jaws on the head now. This is Big Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. As he does the business. Quite good. Right, let's break out Sandy. You just want to clean up that, make sure there's no cracks or splits forming. This is very fine sandpaper. I've been making rings all day, so forgive the state of my hands. Trying to get ready for the Christmas market. I think I've got a spot now. I'll let you know closer to the date, but I think I've got somewhere. This should be nice. About 4 weeks. Right, let's go over to our best friend, Spike. Yep, he stretches your ring. I don't have a particular size for this one. This isn't for anybody in particular. I'm just trying to make a stock of stuff for Christmas and my web shop. How's that looking? Not bad. I'll give it a couple more. I think I'll just get Bernie on it again. These names are getting crazy now. Jaws and Big Bertha. Still, it's fun, yeah. I'd like to thank my late subscribers for subscribing. If you're watching this, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. That'd help me out a bit. Or if you don't like it, you can hit the thumbs down button. I'd like to know where I stand with you guys and girls. Right, let's give it a couple more pumps and see what happens. Don't forget, Christmas is coming. If you're looking for a gift for somebody, they're pretty unique. Yeah, it's nice. Right. Let's go down. I could start off with my 17-degree. Whoops daisy, let's get you involved, shall we? This is the same thing I've done the first fold with. These are reducing dies, different sizes on both sides. You just want to get them all straight, just like that. Right, now we just want to clean out, I'll get some more light on it, that inside lip, because that makes the ring uncomfortable to wear. Yeah, I've got a load of shilling coins, 2 shilling coins, half crowns. £50, I like the 50p coin rings. They look like crowns. I love them. Yep, getting there. So it's Christmas. Bloody Christmas. They're getting the Christmas decorations out in the stores now. Christmas cards. It's bloody October. As soon as Christmas is, before Christmas is finished, they start getting the Easter eggs out. I mean, come on. Okay, that's good. Right, let's break out Kate. Oh my God, she's looking terrible today. Hey Kate, you got anything left? Look at the state of her. Jesus, wet, darling. It's not the weekend yet, you know, it's not Friday night yet. She had a hard night last night, looks like. I don't know who she was out with. Maybe Christy Burr. Christy Burr and Kate Bush, eh? Okay. Let's whack it Felton John. Bit of polish. I'll give him a once round. I'll just do the inside first. If you're not subscribed, there's a little tiny red button, the bottom right hand corner of this video. If you'd like to hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day. I mean, at the moment I'm not working on the Helsinki market because the season's over, so I should be able to do one every day with a bit of luck. Right, Felton John on the case. Right. A bit of white brand. There you go, folks. 1 UK shilling. He dropped it. And he found it. There you go, all the detail on the inside. That's why I used the kitchen roll. So, thanks for stopping by. What size we got? We have got a size of 59. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, do us a favour, show me some love, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks a lot. So bye bye.